This is for all the moms who bought a truck and trailer and taught themselves to back that thing up, who drove from one dust bowl to mud pit after another, who stood on the sidelines holding their breath waiting for their baby to get up, who kissed every scrape and scratch and screamed for their champion until their voice was gone. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for making our dreams come true and never giving up on us.